is Elgi air compressor. Today I did the commissioning of this compressor. This is CTD division compressor, dryer and receiver tank, and OWS also installed. This compressor the customer is using for this hand tech machine. See how it's working. It's operating at 6 bar pressure for making the boxes. What we call to this machine? Erector.
Ice.
Yes, erector.
Ice.
Yes.
Ice. Also ice.
Okay.
Ice.
Okay, got it. Hmm.